Hi there, this is Fixed-It. In my previous video I showed the problem with the Adobe CS installer. Having clicked cancel, I then go back and right click on install and select show package contents. Clicking on the contents triangle to open it, and then go down and select macOS and open that. Now go to Applications, Utilities and double click on Terminal to open a new terminal. Now go back to macOS and drag Install onto the terminal window. Once you've done that, you need to hit Return. Like magic, the Adobe installer will appear on the screen and begin loading. And while it's loading, the terminal window will show you what it's doing. Once it's finished loading, you'll be there at the full installer, and then you can walk through the process to install your software. I hope you found this useful. I know I certainly did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.